Well, one of two women charged with failing to report allegations of sexual abuse at a Brownsburg daycare will be back in court this summer after making her first appearance today.
She did that earlier this morning. Marina Silva was there with a camera in the courtroom as the owner of the daycare, Main Street University for Kids, which is in Hendricks County, went before the judge.
Nancy Minton showing very little emotion in her first court appearance after prosecutors charged her with multiple counts of obstruction of justice, failure to make a report, and neglect of a dependent.
Ms. Minton, do you have any comments to the allegations?
Walking with her attorney and dressed in black, Minton made no eye contact with people outside of the Hendricks County courthouse as she walked in. Investigators identified 8 children as potential victims after police found more than 100 inappropriate images of the children with suspect Gabriel Garner. Prosecutors Friday also filed new charges against Minton's business, Main Street University for Kids, Inc. Minton pleaded not guilty in both cases. Court documents allege Minton and Jennifer Lingbeck, the director of the daycare, did not report multiple allegations of abuse against Garner to authorities. She also allegedly convinced people to not alert police or the state and continued to employ Garner.
I thought this initial hearing is really a first step to justice for these families. The fact that we also have the new charges being filed against Main Street University Kidz is another step of holding this organization and holding the owners accountable.
Michael says the case has a serious impact on the families.
These children's lives are forever changed. They're traumatized. They're going to have repercussions for the rest of their lives.
Minton remains out on bond. Lingbeck has not yet had her initial hearing. Gabriel Garner, who faces 48 charges of child exploitation and child molestation, goes back to court in early June. Reporting in Hendricks County, Marina Silva, 13 News.
Investigators are still working on this case, and so they ask anyone, if you have information that could help them advance the case, contact the Brownsburg Police Department. For now, that daycare is still shut down by the state of Indiana.